Mental Toughness Introduction: The Unseen Strength. Mental toughness is not loud. It does not announce itself. It does not seek attention. Mental toughness is the quiet ability to keep going when everything inside you wants to stop. It is not about being fearless. It is about moving forward despite fear. This audiobook is about building that strength. Chapter 1: Toughness begins in the mind. Your mind is the first battlefield. Before life challenges your body, it challenges your thoughts. Doubt whispers. Fear exaggerates. Excuses sound reasonable. Mental toughness begins when you stop believing every thought you have. Not every thought deserves attention. Not every emotion deserves control. You learn to observe your mind, not obey it. Discipline starts with awareness. Chapter 2: Do not wait for motivation. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. Mental toughness is built on discipline, not feelings. You act when you feel tired. You work when you feel unmotivated. You show up when it's uncomfortable. This is where strength is formed. If you wait until you feel ready, you will wait forever. Strong minds move first. Feelings follow later. Chapter 3: Learn to be uncomfortable. Comfort weakens the mind. Growth lives in resistance, pressure, and discomfort. Mental toughness grows when you stop avoiding difficulty. Cold mornings, hard conversations, long days. Each challenge trains your mind to remain steady under stress. You don't complain, you adapt. Discomfort becomes familiar, and familiar discomfort loses its power. Chapter 4: Control your inner dialogue. The way you speak to yourself shapes your reality. Weak minds insult themselves. Strong minds instruct themselves. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "Stay calm, keep moving." Your inner voice must become your coach, not your enemy. Words repeated become beliefs. Beliefs shape behavior. Choose your words carefully. Chapter 5: Resilience is built through failure. Mental toughness is forged in failure. Every setback tests your commitment. Every loss tests your character. Strong minds don't ask, "Why me?" They ask, "What now?" Failure is information, not identity. You fall, you learn, you adjust, you rise again. That is toughness. Chapter 6: Emotional control is mental strength. A tough mind is emotionally controlled. You don't react to everything. You don't take everything personally. You don't let emotions drive decisions. You pause. You breathe. You choose your response. Calm under pressure is one of the highest forms of strength. Chapter 7: Consistency beats intensity. Mental toughness is not built in dramatic moments. It is built in repetition. Showing up daily, doing the work quietly, staying disciplined when no one is watching. Small actions, repeated consistently, build an unbreakable mind. Intensity fades. Consistency endures. Conclusion: Become unshakable. Mental toughness does not make life easier. It makes you stronger.